Hello and welcome to my channel, and in this video I'll show you how to get rid of this error right here. Now this error is usually caused by system not having the DLL files for DirectX or DirectX, however you like to say it. And the easiest solution for this is just open up a browser, search for direct, you can just search for DirectX download, it should be fine, and just click on the first thing that is by Microsoft and just get into here. And now this is the web installer, so this will download the latest version that is available. So after your website has loaded, this is the website you should be greeted with. Now if your one is white, don't be afraid. So this is white, so but I just have this on so I don't burn my eyes in. So anyway, after you're here, just click on download and this should start downloading. Now I already have this downloaded, but if I click this, it will start downloading again. And you can see it's a fairly small program. So after it is done downloaded, just open it, or you can just look at the file, just click on it, and then it should open. After that, this is the window you should see. Then just hit accept and then hit next, and then just unselect or deselect this. Install the Bing bar because, well, nobody likes Bing bar. Anyway, now just hit next and then wait for this to install. Now if your system already has this installed, then this will show that it is installed, but if it isn't, it will start installing. Now as you can see, it says DirectX setup has determined that a newer or equivalent version of DirectX has been installed already. So that means my system already has this installed, so it will not install it. Then you should check the file name that is shown here is actually available. Now how do you check if it is actually available and it is still showing an error? To do that, you can just go to your files. Oops, mine is on second. Wait a minute. So go to your files, go to Windows C, and then you can see that after you get here, just go to Windows, and then there should be, if you're running a 64-bit Windows, then there should be two files. So here you can see System32 and Syswow64. So these are the two folders you should be looking the files in. So, and if you're using only a 32-bit system, which is very rare, but if you are one of those people who are still using 32-bit, it will be available in the System32. Then you should not have this as well. So after you get here, you just get into System32 and you can just search for it. It is, I think, D3DX9, and as you can see that it does show up, and all the other versions as well, so 10, 11, so I have mostly all of them installed. So that's why it was showing that our more recent version is installed, because I do have 11, I think 12 is also installed, so you can check there. And the same file is also available in Syswow64. So let me just show it to you. So D3D9, and as you can see, it's also available here. So this is basically the file that mainly causes if you don't have DirectX. So, and if you just run the installation, you should be fine and it should work.